This sticky felt, face paint, shirt, and dog collar made my son's outfit for his school play perfect. For his play, it's optional to add black spots to his white shirt to make him look more like a Dalmatian. I assumed I would have to pin felt to his shirt until I saw these sheets. They come with 6 sheets that are very flexible and thin, making them perfect for what we need. I was able to easily cut some dots out and stick them on his shirt. We haven't had any of them come off through him wearing it here, as well as at rehearsal, though they do come off easily if you are intentionally pulling them off. They don't leave a sticky residue on the shirt either. This shirt is a size 7 to 8, and my son is almost 8 years old. It fits him exactly as it should, and this is also after machine washing and drying it. We also added a dog collar. It was optional to add a ribbon or something for a collar, but this real collar was the same price as ribbon, and it looks more realistic. The face paint is also what we needed to add some cute dots to his face. It is water-based, so it won't just show up unless you dip your brush in water and then into the paint palette. Super easy. Aside from the Dalmatian ears that he has at school, his play costume is complete. We are so happy with this.